Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your DIRECTV STREAM Remote. First, we will unpair the remote. Pick up your remote and locate the dash button, which looks like a minus sign, and the apps button, sometimes shown as a diamond symbol. Press and hold both buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the LED lights flash blue 2 times. This means the remote is now unpaired from your device. Next, we will reconnect or pair the remote again. Find the rewind and fast forward buttons on your remote. Press and hold both of these buttons together. Keep holding until you see the blue light start to alternate. This shows that the remote is entering pairing mode and trying to connect back to your streaming device. If your remote is still not working correctly, you can perform a full factory reset. To do this, press and hold the home button and the exit button at the same time. Hold them until the red LED lights turn on. Once the red lights appear, release the buttons and type the numbers 9, 8, and 1 on your remote. This will reset the remote to its original settings. Finally, it is a good idea to restart your streaming box. Unplug the power cable from the device. Wait for about 15 seconds. Then plug it back in and allow the device to restart completely. After following these steps, your remote should be working properly again. Thanks for watching.